Well, we still have a maintenance of wet weather activities over several places within our country, though we had a slight reduction over some areas as we head towards the dry season. Now, for those areas that are still receiving some rains, you are advised to preserve the available water, which could be useful during the dry season. Now, let's take a look at today's weather conditions. Well, in the morning, we had rainy conditions, especially over the islands of Lake Victoria, and the rest of the country, we had mostly sunny conditions. Later in the afternoon, we had partly cloudy skies for most areas within our country, though we realized some light showers over the southern half of our country, including parts of Kampala. Now, the image taken over Africa shows that the rain belt is still aligned mostly to the west and also the northern half of our region, and that explains the kind of rains that we are experiencing within our country. Now, as we kick off the new work week, we've been treated with some pleasant weather across the country. We will see mostly partly cloudy skies where there will be intervals of sunny and cloudy conditions, and that will be over most places within our country. However, along the Lake Victoria Basin, we are likely to have chances of some light showers. Later on in the afternoon, as the day goes on, we are likely to have mostly rainy conditions across the country, and we have a maximum of 24 for Kabale Highlands. Across western Uganda, we have temperatures rising up to 28, and for the northern half of our country, we'll have a maximum of 29. Across the Karamoja region, we will have a daytime high of about 30. We'll still have rains for the eastern half of our country, and across the Lake Victoria Basin, we are likely to have partly cloudy skies, where we're likely to have a few sprinkles at a maximum of 28 degrees centigrade. Now let's focus our attention on the Africa map, where we're likely to have thunder showers for Lagos, and we're forecasting cloudy conditions across Luanda. We could see a couple of showers still over Nairobi with a maximum of 23 degrees centigrade. Most of these other cities are likely to have sunny conditions. Moving on to the rest of the world, we are forecasting sunny conditions for Mecca, and we could see cloudy conditions across London. We could also see a couple of showers for Moscow as well as New York. Well, with that, we wrap up today's weather report. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mollen Kenyena. Stay with us.